How to add revolution slider in Elementor. First, go to your profile. Then click on Pages. Click on About. Then click on Edit with Elementor. Scroll down and click on Plus button. And into the left sidebar of Elements or Components type Slider or Evolution Slider. Click on Evolution Slider 6. Drag it and drop into the section where you would like to apply the slider. This is going to load the slider editor. You can edit columns gap, height, vertical align, overflow from this edit section. As soon as you finish, click on the green bottom to update the page. Then click on Apply. That's it. Thanks for watching.